Weekends are a great time to recharge, be productive, and set yourself up for success in the week ahead. Instead of lounging around or feeling stressed about everything you need to do, having a balanced routine that combines fun with productivity is the key. This routine focuses on setting positive intentions, staying organized, getting things done, and making time for self-care. So let's dive right in. Wake up and refresh. Wake up without rushing and stretch a little. Open your curtains to let the light in. Change into some comfy clothes to start your day feeling fresh. Skincare. Cleanse your face with your favorite face wash. Apply a refreshing toner or mist. Moisturize and use SPF if you're heading outside. Finish with a lip balm and a light body lotion or perfume for that fresh feeling. Breakfast and chill. Make yourself a healthy and fun breakfast like smoothie bowls, pancakes, or anything you love. Enjoy your meal while watching your favorite show, YouTube videos, or chatting with family. Productive hour. Get your homework or school projects done early so the rest of your weekend is stress-free. Use colorful pens and cute stationery to make it more enjoyable. If no homework, work on a personal goal or read a book you've been wanting to start. Creative time. Do something creative like journaling, paint, or trying a new hairstyle. If you like to create, this is a good time to try a DIY project, bake something, or learn a new craft. Get active. Go for a walk, ride a bike, or do a quick workout like yoga or stretching. Bring a book, journal, or camera to capture moments. Organize for the week ahead. Choose your outfits for the next few school days so mornings are stress-free. Pack your school bag with supplies and any assignments. Evening wind down. Spend 30 minutes winding down and avoid screens. Read a book, listen to relaxing music, or try some mindfulness meditation to clear your mind. Prepare for bed early so you wake up refreshed and ready for the next day. And there you have it. With this balanced weekend routine, you'll be ready to tackle the week ahead while still enjoying some downtime and fun. Remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot between being productive and taking care of yourself. Have an amazing weekend, and make the most of every moment.